Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and your game is not launching, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert not launching on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform. So Steam for me. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Crimson Desert and then you're going to go into properties. You're going to go into install files and you're just going to click onto verify integrity of games files and let it do its thing. Once it does that, now you're going to click onto browse here, or you're going to go to your Crimson Desert games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive. You're going to open up your Explorer. You're going to go into C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Crimson Desert here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on the CrimsonDesert.exe file and you're going to click onto properties here. Afterwards, you're going to go into compatibility and then you're going to make sure that you click on to run this program as an administrator. Also disable full screen optimizations and then click apply and then OK. And afterwards, restart your Steam. And once it's done restarting, now you can try to play Crimson Desert and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.